What's going on, guys? This is Uche, and I just want to make a quick video. I say quick videos, and sometimes my videos are like 20 minutes long, but this is actually going to be a really quick video. And what I want to talk to you guys about real quick is mindset. And mindset specifically around paying bills, specifically paying your credit card bills. I know a lot of times people get stuck in this whole notion that your credit card is a bill, and I don't see it the same way. My credit card is actually an investment that can actually grow, meaning that whatever I spent on it, if I follow the rules, keeping the low credit utilization, paying everything on time, never being late, that credit limit grows, and then you have an abundance of access to capital, and that capital can be used for whatever you deem appropriate, as long as you're not being stupid with it. So when it's time to pay your your credit cards, let's not say bill, when it's time for you to reinvest back into your credit card because you've taken money out of it, you have to do it diligently, and you want to pay that as whole as possible, meaning you're not just paying minimum payments. If you have a credit limit of 1,000 and you spend 200, you should pay the full 200 back, because what that's going to do is show the bank or the credit card company that you are trustworthy, and they will extend more credit to you. But if you're only paying back the minimum and then you're incurring interest, I'm telling you right now, if I see interest, I'm freaking out, because I'm thinking, I don't give this 2 cents, because in my mind, I'm not doing this to lose money. I'm doing this to gain money and increase capital. So moving forward, guys, I know there's some of you out there who struggle with this. You're like, man, I have these credit card bills and it's so much. Pay it, pay it as much as possible. If you really want to do this the right way, use your billing cycle as a way to gauge when to pay. So when it reports to your to the credit bureaus, you get the benefit of a low credit utilization, and also the benefit of eventually having higher credit limits. And if you pay cards off at the right time, then you actually have yourself another like 30 days or so. Then you can use that money as you wish, as long as you pay it back up again. Just don't overspend. Don't go beyond your means, and you'll be good. So again, this is mindset. Treat your credit cards, treat yourself like a business, treat it as an investment where you're timing how you spend your money to make sure you benefit from it. If you're getting credit cards for the purpose of being in debt and being upside down, then you're doing this wrong, and you're going to play yourself. Okay? All right, guys, this is Uche. Time to get back into the house. It's been a long day, and I'll talk to you guys later, all right? Peace.